What's up, guys? It's me. I'm back in H-Town. I'm riding my bike. I'm happy. It's a beautiful day. It's been about a month. I've been working out of town in Virginia, and I'm gonna be here for the weekend till Tuesday, and I fly back to Virginia. I have been called out to do this 3x3 challenge by HollarMoto. Thank you, HollarMoto, for the call out. It just took me a while to get back on my bike so I can do this. I will include a link on the description of HollarMoto. Go check him out. He's got good stuff going on his channel. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to him, hit that bell. The 3 things that you don't know about me. First thing is, I was in high school and I had 2 jobs constantly, and in the summer I would have 3 jobs. I was kind of burning myself out, working all the time. My family even told me something, so I started thinking about what I really wanted to do for my future. Now, the second thing that you don't know about me is I was in the military. I was in the military for 3 years. I was stationed in Korea for a year. I wanted to stay in my 3rd year. I was supposed to re-enlist, but then my girlfriend at the time got pregnant, so she wanted me to get out of the military. I kind of wanted to stay in. We kind of disagreed on it for a while. I finally got out of the military, and it was hard in the beginning because all I knew was the military. I didn't do anything before other than school. The number 3 thing is I've had my motorcycle endorsement for 2 years, and I had my bike for a year and a half. That's about it in a nutshell. I have to call out 3 other motovloggers to do this challenge, 3x3 challenge. The first one is FBOMB. I'm calling you out to do this challenge, and if you haven't seen FBOMB's channel, I will include a link under the description. Please go check him out, subscribe to him, hit the bell. He's got some good stuff going on. He just upgraded unwillingly, but he upgraded, and he's doing some cool stuff on his channel. FBOMB is number 1. Number 2 is Ray3866. I'm calling you out. He's got some cool stuff going on in his channel, and I will also include his link under the description. Please check his channel out, subscribe to him, hit that bell. He's got some surprises for everybody, and I can't wait to see what he comes out with. Whatever it is, it's gonna be good. So go check out his channel, please. So Ray, I'm calling you out. Ray3866. The Skywalker guy, I'm calling you out. He's got some cool stuff going on in his channel as well. I like his stuff. I will include his link in the description, so please go check out his channel, subscribe to him, hit that bell button, support him. I had a hard time trying to find 3 people. There was a lot of people being called out twice. I didn't want to call them out for a 3rd timer, so I had to think about it. I had to research and see who's done it and who hasn't. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm not gonna keep you guys long. I don't want you guys to get bored.